Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use TikTok for beginners. To use TikTok for beginners, we have three basic methods for you. First method is exploring and watching videos. Download and sign up. Install TikTok from your App Store and create an account using your email, phone number, or social media. Swipe up on the For You page to watch videos curated based on your preferences. Use the Discover or Explore tab to search for specific content, hashtags, or trends. Engage with content. Double tap to like a video, tap the speech bubble to comment and share videos using the arrow icon. Now we're on the second method. The second method is creating your first video. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center to start creating a video. Record or upload. Press and hold the red record button or the white circle to capture a video or upload one from your gallery. Edit in post. On the right hand panel, you can add filters, text, music, and effects to enhance your video. Tap next, write a caption, and choose hashtags before posting. Last method, connecting with others. Follow users. Tap the follow button on profiles you like to see more of their content in your feed. Send messages. Use the inbox to chat with friends or creators. Tap the message icon on the profile to start a conversation if allowed by their privacy settings. Participate in challenges. Join trending challenges by creating videos using the associated hashtags or sounds. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.